Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Classic Minimax. This is IL series and in this video I'm going to talk about a few words which would really help you to achieve your desired band. Basically these words are called as the band 8 words because if you use these kind of words into your writing, whether it may be a letter writing or it may be a essay writing, if you use these kind of words then obviously you're going to get a higher band. Come on, let's get into this topic. These words are basically called as the linking words. There are several categories in this linking words. In this video, I'm going to share a few topics. First topic is emphasis. The second topic is addition. The third topic is contrast. The fourth topic is order. The fifth topic is result. And the last topic is illustration. Okay, so what is emphasis? Emphasis is actually giving importance. It is a significant. How do you do emphasis in your writing? If you want to emphasize something, to use these kind of words so that the examiner may really understand you are going to strongly agree to your point, strongly emphasize to your point. And these are the words: undoubtedly, indeed, particularly, especially, clearly, absolutely. You can use any of these words to emphasize your point very clearly to the examiner. In particular, if you are looking at the essay writing, these words would really help you to explain your point to the examiner very strongly. The second topic is addition. Addition in the sense you are just going some other point add on, which means you are adding some points extra to your original point. So how can you do that? In addition, furthermore, as well as that, moreover, not only but also, it is a phrase. When you use not only, you have to use but also. Also, so when you use these kind of words, which means you are giving an addition point, which means you have already said some point and these words will help you to add some point to your original point. And the third topic is contrast. Contrast means giving contradiction. So how do you give contradiction in writing? Unlike, nevertheless, on the other hand, despite, whereas, conversely. So if you use this contrasting words, which means you are saying some contradiction. For instance, if we are speaking about the essay, if you are going to discuss both sides, then on the other hand would be a better phrase to express your contrast of opinion. So you can use any of these words, but please do understand, don't repeat the same words again and again. So you can have a multiple word list so that you can use any of emphasis your own contrast. The next topic is ordering. Ordering in the sense arranging. I can say like that. So first of all, firstly, first and foremost, when you are speaking about the last point, then obviously you are going to use finally. At this point, at this time, at this juncture, last but not least, following, previously, something like this, which means you are going to order your point, whether it is first, second or third, or it is the last point, or at this time, what are you going to explain? So you can explain all these points. The next topic is result. How do you express result in your writing topic? You can use this in essay as well as in the letter writing also. As a result, as a consequence, therefore, thus, consequently, hence. You can use any of these words to make the examiner understand that you are concluding something, which is the result of something. You can use any of these words to tell the examiner that you are telling about the result. So you can explain your result by using these kind of different words so that it would be really helpful for you. The next topic is illustration. Illustration means explaining, which is the example. Always don't use the word for example because the examiner would get bored of saying the same word again and again in so many papers. So try to use different words for the illustration. For instance, to demonstrate. In this case, proof of this. To clarify. You can use any of these words to explain your example. So these are all the few words that you can really use in your IELTS writing exam to get the band 8. I'm going to publish one more series based on this linking words. When you use these kind of words, for sure you're going to achieve a band 8. So, which means if you are familiar with these kind of words and keep on using in your writing exam when practice, then it is obviously you're going to get higher band. In the following videos, I will share more words like this. So, if you are really interested in this IELTS exam, please do follow my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.